Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all have been well. So we have been talking about the anglerfish and we shared and discussed a lot of different things about it. You shared your research and found some very interesting facts about the anglerfish. So it has been a fun class where I got to learn a lot from all of you also. So today we'll get to answer a lot of questions that you had or the information that you shared. So the first one was, are the anglerfish blind? And then, where are anglerfish found? And also that are they predators or prey? Another question that you all had was that who discovered the anglerfish? And what makes it unique? And what does it like to eat? And also, can the light on their tops of their head be turned off? So yes, the first question, are the anglerfish blind? So what happens is that it has soft flesh and bones and small eyes, and its skin is adapted to reflect the blue light, and all the light from the bioluminescent creature is blue, and the anglerfish can be nearly invisible to the other sea creature. And it uses its illuminated low, I'm sure you all know what it is by now, that is the light on top of its head as it hunts for prey. And for the part where it's found in the midnight zone, in the deepest, darkest part of the sea, and also in Arctic and Antarctic oceans, which are the coldest oceans there are. And as for the fact that if they're predators or prey, mostly they're predators. They're at top of the food chain and are often predators rather than prey. That means that they eat a lot of different type of fish, but not many different big species of fish eat them. And you know what? The most distinctive or unique feature that I found about them was that the female, that there's a piece of dorsal spine that hangs above their mouth like a fishing pole, also called the lure, hence their name. And also the fact that you all found the most unique was that the tiny male anglerfish attaches itself to the female body, and that's how it gets the nutrition. And a female fish at time can have 5 tiny fish attached to it. And also what happens, the next question was, what does it eat? So it eats almost any creature they can lure or get lured with the fleshy ball-like organ that dangles near their mouth or the light. So it consumes almost any creature that comes close to it because they're attracted to the light. And it is called photophores. Also, the deep seas, how does the light on the top of its head, a lot of you had this question, that how does the light on top of their head stays on? Some of you found the answer to it, that it's filled with bacteria. It does not run on electricity, so that is why the anglerfish does not get electrocuted. But the deep sea anglerfish lure is filled with bacteria that makes their own light. And scientists have recently discovered that the bacteria might be found under the sea also, that the light is filled with. And for the second part of the question, that what happens if a predator, the anglerfish is sleeping and a predator comes close to it, wouldn't they be visible because of the light? So the answer to that is that a deep sea anglerfish can either hide or reveal its lighted lure using a muscular skin flap. It can hide its lure if it wants to. Then we watch the video. And you all can watch it and you will find out all about the anglerfish, and everything that we discussed in class is mentioned in the video. Now for the question, who discovered the anglerfish? So that would be Tracy Sutton. And she discovered the anglerfish. She discovered a new species of anglerfish. And now let's see where exactly can it be found. So do you see the distance sunlight travels in the ocean? So at the sea level, you can see the sunlight is reaching clearly, and it's a sunlight zone. And sunlight can easily reach the zone, and you can find tuna here. And as you go 200 meters down, this is called the twilight zone. And sunlight decreases rapidly with depth. And photosynthesis is not possible here. And you might find a shrimp, a swordfish, and a hagfish here. And as you keep on going down and you go 1,000 meters under the ocean, that's the midnight zone. This is where you can spot the anglerfish. And you can also spot the giant squid here. Remember, we talked about this, the giant squid that has eyes as big as a football. And you can also find a tripod fish here. So the sunlight does not reach this part of the sea at all, and it is covered in darkness. So this is it for today, everyone. And do not forget to watch the video to learn some more interesting facts about the anglerfish. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.